Futhi ngiyabonga nje ngoba ngiyibona ngathi ngiphilile namhlanje ngiphiliswe into encane. Bathi abanye abantu la kulezi zinto ezibhalwayo uyabushembe la simfuna angizile kubona bengize mina engonyameni na kumhlekazi na kuso sonke isizwe singithandayo. Okungilaphe kakhulu uyigwala lingeni ezulwini. Okungilaphe kakhulu ukuthi igwala lingeni ezulwini. Uyabona ubeka ngizwe lezazi indaba lezi beyikhulunywa la. Ngabe ngathatha amasaka ami ngabaleka ngashiya amaNazaretha. Baba igwala lingeni ezulwini. Ngihlalele emthandazo noba umthandazo uyaphilisa. Umthandazo uyawaxosha futhi amadimoni. Okungilaphile ngilashwe ukuthi kubanjwe laba bantu akade bebulala izingane ngoba bese nayo sisifakwa phakathi thiwa sibulala izingane njengoba kufika ethini. Iyenzeka ke la emhlabeni khona isilwane esithi masifica imoto imile bese siphamisa umlenze siyayichamela kodwa masiyibona igijima seyijaka singena kuyifica ukhule ngonyama zohloka izitha. Mina engikwaziyo mangabe umuntu uthi ngwinyama yakho awukwazi ukukhuluma kabi ngaye kodwa into yenzayo uyahletshwa umuntu omkhulu akukhulunywa nje esidlangaleleni ngaye umpende inyama engayidlanga. Abantu abakhulu bayahlonishwa babazali njengamakhosi nje ingonyama abazali bethu thina sizwe.
I'd like to talk to this ritual murderer, this foul ritual murderer, actually ritual murderers, Shembe from South Africa and King Mswati III. Okay, Shembe, listen, let me explain something to you that you don't understand. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland. Murderer. This foul ritual murderer, actually ritual murderers, Shembe from South Africa and King Mswati III. Okay, Shembe, listen, let me explain something to you that you don't understand. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland, not King Mswati. King Mswati is not a free, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland, along with the Queen Mother. So you cannot say you have not come to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland. You've come to Swaziland to see the King and the Queen Mother. When you come see the Queen Mother and the King, you're essentially coming to see the people of Swaziland. Ungasitsheli ukuthi awukezwe uzokhuluma namaSwati. uzobona inkosi nendlovukazi kusho wena Masimbenja. Don't say that, because what you're doing, you agree with King Mswati that the country belongs to him. It's his farmland. Everything in Swaziland belongs to him and everything in it. Okay? So I want you to understand that point of clarification. You cannot say when you come to Swaziland, you're not coming to Swazis. You're coming to Swazis. When you come to the King of Swaziland and the Queen Mother, we know what you're coming there to do. We know your filthy business, that you're coming there to murder our children, to so-called Qinisinkosi, to strengthen the king. So all these children that disappeared while you were in Swaziland were killed by you on behalf of the king of Swaziland. Okay? That's why you're saying you're not coming to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland, because you're coming there to murder them, to murder their children and cause chaos in this country. We don't want you to ever come back to our country. Young Vashembe, asifuni ukukubona ever again in our lives. We don't want you coming back to Swaziland. Okay? We're going to do something to you next time you come to Swaziland. Wena Shembe. Uzoganga la eSwazini. Uzoganga. You're killing innocent children and you're hiding behind this fake religion. I've done a whole research on your religion and I know what you're about. Wena Shembe. So don't come back here and say you're coming to visit the king as if the king is a free agent, is a free entity, stand-alone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland as well as Indlovukazi. Inkosi Mswati, inkosi yaMaswati. Ngiyathi kuthi akakwati lokho ngoba akakhuliswanga kahle. Akathi kuthi kuba inkosi yini. Yini umsebenzi wakhe? Kuthi abe inkosi la eveni laMaswati. Asisamfuni, sifuna phuma phela. Ngoba uyaganga la kaNgwane. Uyangivashembe, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Masimbenja mthakathi. Mthakathi. Masimbenja, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Tobulala abantwana beMaswati. Uthi uqinisa le nkosi le. Uyaganga. Wena Shembe. Sis man. Damn it. This is why Maswati ngantshela.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi of today. If you're first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Na video lapho ngiphendulela khona uShembe after abantu abaningi bathi bamfuna lapha eSwatini ngenxa ukuthi makafika lapha eSwatini kulahleka abantwana. So wathi phendulela ukuthi nje angizele kumina utobona ingozi eSwatini. Umuntu inkosi wathi uthini? Inkosi ayihambi yedwana la ihamba nathi Maswati. So le video lena abantu abaningi bakhuluma ngayo laphana etinkundleni zokuxhumana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.